Today we will be learning about lines. A line is something which connects two or more points. Here we see that there are three types of lines: horizontal, vertical, and oblique. Horizontal lines are easy to remember because they run straight along the horizon. Vertical lines are also straight, but they run up and down. Oblique is every other type of line. I'm visiting my friend at her house in Missouri. My friend's house is situated on a hilltop in the woods. There is a large clearing southeast of the house where a fire pit is located. She wants to invite family and friends over to enjoy some fireside entertainment. The slope of the hill we climb down and back up is very steep and therefore not easily accessible for all. The slope of a hill is like the slope of a line. The slope is the ratio of the rise over the run, or the rate of change in y per unit change in x. Or, as x changes, what happens to y? A point is made of two numbers, an x and a y coordinate. This xy coordinate is also known as an ordered pair. They call it an ordered pair because it makes a difference which number comes first. Coordinates of a point are determined by the distance of this point from the lines, and the signs of the coordinates are determined by whether the point is in the positive or in the negative direction from the origin. In this example, we have the point 2, 2. To plot this, we move 2 units along the x-axis and then move up the y-axis 2 units, finally drawing a point, well, the point 2, 2 on the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane is a plane with a point selected as an origin, usually 0, 0, and 2 perpendicular lines that intersect at this origin, with positive and negative direction on each line. Traditionally, the lines are called x, which is drawn from left to right, positive on the right, and y, drawn from bottom to top with positive on the top of the origin. Well, we thought it would be a great idea to build a zip line from the house to the clearing. The zip line will help guests travel from the deck to the fire pit with ease and a harness. We located the trees we want to use. These will be our 2 points on our line. Next, we measured the distance between them. The distance, 250 feet, will be our run since it is the distance along the x-axis when we graph our zip line design on a coordinate plane. The rise is how high up the tree at which the line will be fastened. In this case, it's 27 feet. The slope here is created by the wire we will use to connect the two trees. If we do rise over run, we get 27 feet over 250 feet, which equals 0.108. So the slope of the zip line is 0.108. We will also have to consider the slope of the hill to maximize safety. Most importantly, though, we have to convince our husband that this is a good idea.